Correspondent Jerika Duncan. WTOP's To Your Health Report, sponsored by Johns Hopkins Medicine, now open in Arlington in Ballston Quarter.
This is a test of the Washington, D.C. Metropolitan Operational Area Emergency Alert System. This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast and cable stations in your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If there has been an actual emergency, official messages will follow this alert tone. This concludes our test of the emergency alert system.